Hello everyone, I hope you are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah, who is entirely merciful and specially merciful. So I'm making the video, so that's why there are so many children here, and they have come here for watching how I make the video and what I do front of the camera. And when I just hold the camera to them, they run away, but they have come here for watching what I do front of the camera and what I say in front of the camera exactly. And where I'm turning the camera, all the people, all the children, they are just running. You are watching. They are running behind the camera, and they are very enjoying my just I'm talking in front of the camera right now. They are very enjoying, and they are watching how I make the video and what I do in front of the camera, what I say in front of the camera. Sometimes they criticize this kind of children, and what do you do? They say, what do you do? You shouldn't do that, but they don't know what is I'm doing right now. So what I will say, uh, the children doesn't know that this is for practice time and what I'm going to do. They don't know. They are not uh, they are very unknown with this system. They don't know we have to practice English like that. They don't know about that. That's why. So it's very unknown things for them. So just I'm talking right now in front of the camera, and they're enjoying a lot. And I will see you one thing. There is another girl, and I think she is holding oats, and they are waiting all the time. You are watching on the screen. It's a very funny things, and just I'm enjoying all the things for making video. And sometimes I take that kind of children, and you will also enjoy a lot watching this kind of things. So my dear brothers and sisters, I have a request for you. That is, when you try to make the video, when you say something in front of the camera, the people will criticize you. So this is the I will say that this is the advice for you today. So the people will criticize you. It doesn't matter. People all time will criticize you. But if you stop watching the criticize and knowing the criticize, so you will stop. So select your goal, select your success plan, and try to work. What is people doing? What is people saying? It doesn't matter. So they will not like it. It doesn't matter. Just talk and just say something. Just focus your dream and do what you have to do. What is your plan? Try to do that. So my dear brothers and sisters, that's all today. I will see you very soon with another video. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.